Now repeat after me. Bunker, bunker, bunker. Welcome to English Dictionary Infinity, where we help you perfect your pronunciation and expand your vocabulary one word at a time. Meaning, a bunker is a fortified underground shelter designed to protect people or supplies from attacks, natural disasters, or other threats. Bunkers are often used by the military and are built to withstand explosions or extreme conditions. In everyday language, bunker can also refer to a safe, secure space people use in emergencies. Think of it like this. A bunker is a stronghold, a hidden, secure spot meant for safety during challenging times. In a sentence, the soldiers took cover in the bunker as the air raid alarm sounded. Here, bunker refers to an underground shelter used for protection. Let's try another example. They built a small bunker in their backyard to store emergency supplies. Now it's your turn. If you understand the word, comment below with your own sentence using bunker. Synonyms. Some related terms for bunker are shelter, a place providing protection from danger; stronghold, a fortified place for defense. Antonyms. The opposite of bunker would be exposure, being out in the open unprotected; vulnerability, a state of being easily harmed or attacked. Part of speech. Bunker is a noun referring to an underground shelter used for protection. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to keep building your vocabulary with us at English Dictionary Infinity. Don't forget to hit the notification bell for more words and pronunciation tips. See you next time.